Activating and forwarding panthermail. Now that you have set up Duo, we are free to activate and forward your panthermail if desired. The first thing to do is open a web browser such as Chrome, Firefox, Edge. In the address bar, type the URL of panthermail.gsu.edu and then press the Enter key. Next, log in with your campus ID, enter in your new password, and confirm your identity with Duo. Then select your time zone. And now your panthermail is completely activated. You are allowed to forward your panthermail to another email address if you so desire. To do this, while you are logged into your panthermail, click the settings icon as shown below, which is also known as the gear symbol in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Then click Mail under the My App settings. Then click Accounts, and then click Forwarding. Choose Start Forwarding, and then type the email address to which you would like your panthermail sent to. Note, be sure to keep a copy of forwarded messages in the event you have issues with your other email account. This concludes forwarding and activating panthermail.